they clubbing, they chilling, they messing.
Let's worry about
you need this money.
Yes.
Hello, Michael. I need your help, Michael. Yes, I am seriously sick. And the doctor says an operation on me. But not until I'm able to pay total cost. But Michael wants to speak to you.
Hello, Michael. The doctor is demanding for 4 million cedis before he performs the operation. You sent $1,000 through Western Union. Oh, Michael, God bless you. I'll give you a call as soon as I pick it up tomorrow. Okay. All right. Bye. Imagine that. Hi, Master. Believe that.
Michael, as soon as I call, the man will just carry it out.
$1,000. Jesus Christ.
$1,000. Just pretending to be sick. Yes. Men, you know, that is the way they deserve to be treated.
Yeah, anyway, how much are you giving me?
Come on. Wait till the money comes now.
Okay.
You know what? Let's go down, right? I'm not Danny Boy. 1, 2, 3. Hello, Dan. Yes. Yeah, we are opposite the Stanbic Bank. If you spend more than 15 minutes, you will not come to meet us, okay? All right.
What did he say?
He's coming now. What can you say?
You're rich!
Oh, God, you man! What do you want? I'm even feeling hot. You are taking one minute. It's really fine. Please don't come. Oh, this guy is rich.
Osofu, why? Do you know them?
Yes. They are my neighbors. We live at the same area, my brother. And this is exactly what they've been doing every day. Oh!
Osofu, these ladies are criminals. Just look at the way they acted. And I'm not surprised about the man they are making fool of.
Oh.
Does not even send money home. Osofo, when these ladies come to church on Sundays, and what do you tell them? Because all these ladies will be found in the church on Sundays.
You're right. My brother, we've been doing our best too. We've been doing our best. But it seems our best is not good enough. Hey!
I guess so, Osofo. I guess so. These are the people who are spreading the HIV disease.
You're right, my brother. You're right.
God of mercy, have mercy on us. Especially with those who follow girls like this.
Hey, so for concern, yeah, yes.
Your daughter's condition is very critical. Jesus Christ. She will need blood transfusion immediately.
Blood transfusion. Oh my God.
But at the moment, there's no blood at the blood bank.
Don't worry, I will donate blood. I belong to the universal blood group.
Thank God. Does that mean she'll be given the blood immediately? No. Not until we examine the blood first. What for? Madam, for infections like HIV. And other diseases.
Look, don't worry. I just came in from America and my blood is clean.
You don't worry. Do the donation first. Then we decide on what to do next.
All right. So, where's your lab?
Gloria, you did not do well at all. You were not fair to Mr. Kusi.
What are you talking about? Huh? Isn't he a married man? Listen, if you know you're married, you don't date Gloria. Simple.
Gloria, sometimes you amaze me.
Hey, listen. At the moment, I don't have love for any man. All what I'm doing now is strictly business. Yes. If you have money, Gloria is all yours. You can imagine. But if you have family and some commitments, hey, you better forget about Gloria. I'm telling you this. That's my girl. By tomorrow afternoon, he's going to bring the money. Trust me. I trust you. That's my girl. Look, listen.
You girls don't have to have pity on any man. No mercy. Look, let Gloria deal with him. And you, that small boy of yours is going to give you a broken heart.
Leave her.
Look, at your age, you don't have to give your love to one little thing. So when should I develop love? Oh, sweetheart. In your 30s, when you have made it. I mean, when you are there. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Then you can buy the love you want.
Get her. So, you through?
Play some music.
Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah.
I'm surprised.
Mr. Casey, we have examined your blood.
And
you tested positive.
positive of what? Pregnancy, malaria, or what?
Mr. Casey, please calm down.
No, why should I calm down? At least you should let me know what you mean.
Mr. Casey, I'm sorry. You tested HIV positive.
What did you say?
You heard me right.
Look, doctor. Are you sure of what you are saying? Look, I don't want to doubt your integrity, but I believe you don't know what you are doing. Are you sure of the results?
Mr. Casey, we tested it 3 times. So, we are absolutely sure.
No. I don't believe you, I don't trust in your judgment, and I don't believe in this hospital. In fact, I am sorry for the patients who come to this hospital. And if I should hear a wind of this, I'm going to sue you, I'm going to sue the hospital, and I'm going to sue the whole Ministry of Health. Nonsense.
Did you come along?
Yes.
Are you married?
Yes, my wife is in Europe.
Have you had any girlfriend since you came back?
Yes. Why are you asking me all these questions?
It's part of the test you came for. For how long have you been with this girl?
Well, for about 8 months.
I'm sorry. The tests have shown you are HIV positive.
Are you sure? Are you sure you are not making a mistake? And do you know for how long I have lived in Europe?
If you have HIV positive, it doesn't mean the end of your life.
Stop saying that! Who told you I am HIV positive? Do I look like an HIV victim? What is this? Is that how you work here?
Are you not done so?
Wait a minute. What did you call me?
Are you not
What?
done so?
Look, my name is not Danso. I am Casey. K-C.
Are you sure?
Are you telling me I don't know my own name? I said I am Casey, not Danso. K-C.
Okay. Christian! Christian!
Yes, Doc.
How could you make such a terrible mistake?
Doc, what is it?
How can you give me a wrong report?
How? Doc, that was the only test we did that day.
What are you implying? Good afternoon, mates.
Good afternoon, sir. How may I help you?
I'm coming for HIV test.
May I know your name?
Should I give my real name? No, I don't have to give my real name. Anything at all can happen. I have to change it. Yeah, my name is Atadanso.
Wait a minute. Are you not the man that was in suit? Doc, I'm 100% sure he's the same man who gave his name as Atadanso.
Me? Hey, Christian, are you sure?
Yes, Doc.
I am 100% sure he's the same man that gave his name as Atadanso.
We'll do the test again.
You are mad. You are crazy. Not in this hospital. Is that how you work here?
Oh, please.
And you want me to come for what? Look,
So we'll do another test.
Look, another test for what? Oh. So if I have not hidden my identity, I would have betrayed myself. What am I going to do now?
Today we are being able to because if I would me penny chair, I dear will be done. She will be a so be my will be tray. First, you know, me say be one and ray. The guy said, walk remember to pray, and I was a come up with your one. You cannot want our panty. They had the so much on the here now. She has so who you not going to bet your cratchy, but also cry my whoa, so when you
life is not as easy as it looks, though. Sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead we take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just intense, so beware.
To be young, so you were woman to go, so I should worry about what is so gas. I thought that is a walk up with your window, and you know, Chris will hand it on the call. When you pay him a ball, it doesn't matter what he would do. Mrs. Sikakodia, where you cool, Mr. Tommy Lou. I was a wish I would offer, so now you walk so I'm hurt.
The way them living their life, they clubbing, they chilling, they messing their lives. I'm hurt, cause I see him at the end. So change your life and make sure you stand
Maju was so none of warfare, whom our baby anyone I want to say. On the name of Bar, I'm a man of a radia, show a bar pan in the cemetery. So when I should know 6 feet, it's not a bone of back kick. So watch it again as a profit, who you just over kitchen as a last thing. It's a man and you would said that poppy pain, a wolf from a wolf in a year, I won't take. Sikaina war just saw take hepatitis, I know Biana won't take.
What a kind of life you live. What a kind of friends you keep. I just wanna let you know.
HIV. So it's true. Oh my God. My God. How can this happen to me? Oh God. What am I going to do? What should I do? Must I tell my wife? No, I can't do that. Oh my God. Oh God. What am I going to do? The king himself, HIV. The king does not travel alone. Somebody gave this to me, and I must pass it on. I am going to distribute this. I'm not going down alone. Watch out for me.
Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. The step you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time. So beware.
Bravo yen to boisier. Tidia wo ye bia no nyabotre. Okosa jifa wodi me panyin tre. Ade wo ho be da no hwe wo bi ehu abre. So bi ni ma wo bi tre. Feso ginya me de se bi bia wo ne mre. Ye jai se wo krome ma to pre. Ena kwesi kome kwakwadwo ho na yare. Ye kana wante wo pante ade. Ye de se wo gina ho no hwe ye na wa hwe ase. Se wo ho ye na go no be che wo krachi. Baba so kra man wo so we ni ate.
Life is not as easy as as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. The step you take today determines tomorrow.